Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can make your Microsoft Edge browser faster on your Windows 10 operating system. So if you think that your default browser of your Windows 10, which is Microsoft Edge built up by Microsoft, is working slowly, then how you can make it faster. So firstly you have to go to search bar, then search here Microsoft Edge. Okay, okay, we spelled wrong. Microsoft Edge. This is the browser of a default browser which is built by Microsoft. Okay, open it. So as you can see, it is working very slowly. So as you can see, there are some tabs is opening. So I don't want it. As you can see, it is working very slowly. So now I am going to show you that how you can make it faster, how you can make your Microsoft Edge faster. So I'm gonna remove this tab. Okay, so for making it faster, firstly you need to go to here in this three dot option. Here you have to click on the extension. So as you can see, there this type of pop-up is open. You have to click on manage extension. So as you can see, I have zero extensions. So if you have any extension that you have installed in your Microsoft Edge browser, you have to delete it. Then it will work faster than before. So firstly make sure that. So the second thing is, again click on the three dot here, then go to settings. Okay, after coming to the settings, you will see an option called Start Home and New Tabs on the left side of the browser. So click on Start Home and New Tabs. Then click on this option, Open these pages. Okay. Okay, then click on these pages. Then what you need to do, you have to click on the Add a New Page. So what you need to give a URL. So I'm giving the URL of Google. So www.google.com. Okay, then click on add. So the URL has been added. Now I'm going to close this Microsoft Edge, then reopen the Microsoft Edge browser. Now this is the browser. As you can see, it has opened faster. So now as you can see, it has opened the Google interface. So now it will work faster than before. So I hope this will help you. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.